An inmate who escaped and set off a day-long manhunt will be back in court today. He's also accused of stabbing a Wayne County Sheriff's deputy, and now he's facing much more serious charges. 7 Action News reporter Malcolm Maddox was in court today and joins us now with the latest.
2 weeks ago today, Abraham Pearson was supposed to be sentenced for carjacking and armed robbery. Now, that sentencing is yet to take place, but today he heard a new list of charges that could land him in jail for the rest of his life. Walking into court and wearing red instead of green and appearing to be under much tighter security, Abraham Pearson sat stoically as the new charges against him were read.
The defendant is charged with count 1, assault with intent to murder.
The 25-year-old now faces 11 additional charges stemming from the September 9th incident. According to reports, while Pearson was being transported to the Frank Murphy Hall of Justice to be sentenced for carjacking and robbery, he used a comb that had been fashioned into a weapon to stab a Wayne County Sheriff's deputy in the neck before taking his uniform and escaping from custody. Police say Pearson then carjacked a woman and remained on the run for more than 12 hours before finally being spotted that same day and being taken back into custody. Before his new case can proceed, though, his competency needs to be evaluated, a move his lawyer supports.
He thinks, in whatever condition his mind is in, he thinks he's not guilty of the charge they were going to sentence him on that day. That's no excuse for running away by any manner of means. But I think it would certainly, if he's a psychotic person, he'd have reason to think that he's being persecuted.
Pearson will be back in court on November 18th, and if convicted of all charges, he could spend the rest of his life behind bars. In Detroit, Malcolm Maddox, 7 Action News.